Did you know that Albert Einstein's brain was different from the average human brain? But how and why was it different? Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius and innovation, revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his theory of relativity. Yet the workings of his own mind remain a mystery, a puzzle that scientists have been trying to piece together. What made his brain so unique? What was the secret behind his unparalleled intellect? These questions have fascinated researchers for decades. It's not just about the man who forever changed the face of physics, it's about the very organ that made it all possible, his brain. This remarkable organ has been the subject of intense study, sparking curiosity and debate among neuroscientists. So, let us delve deeper into the life of this extraordinary man and his remarkable brain. Einstein was not always the genius we know him as today. Born in Ulm in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire, on March 14, 1879, Albert Einstein was a late talker, and his parents even consulted a doctor because of this. Einstein's education journey was a unique one. He attended a Catholic elementary school from the age of 5 for 3 years. At the age of 8, he was transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium, where he received advanced primary and secondary school education. Interestingly, he was not an exceptional student. He disliked the school's regimented style and rote learning. His rebellious nature against autocratic teaching methods was evident even then. In fact, his teachers reported that he was slow and dreamy. It was only when he was given a compass at the age of 5, and later when he discovered a geometry book at 12, that his passion for physics and mathematics was ignited. Einstein taught himself calculus over a single summer. And so began the journey of one of the greatest minds in history. Einstein's early days were not without struggles. He left the Luitpold Gymnasium without a diploma. He failed his first entrance exam to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, and he was the only one of his graduating class not offered a job in his chosen field of physics. However, these failures only served to fuel his determination. His experiences during these formative years likely played a critical role in shaping his brain. Einstein himself once said, "It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer." The path of Einstein's early life and education was not linear, rather it was filled with peaks and valleys, successes and failures. But it was these very experiences that played a crucial role in molding the mind of this extraordinary individual, a mind that would eventually revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Einstein's journey was not always smooth, but it was these challenges that shaped him and his extraordinary mind. Einstein's scientific achievements are a testament to his unique brain. Albert Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius, and for good reason. His scientific accomplishments have left an indelible mark on the world, shaping our understanding of the universe. Let's delve into some of his most significant contributions. First and foremost, we must talk about the theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein published his special theory of relativity, a theory that revolutionized the way we understand space and time. It was in this theory that Einstein proposed his famous equation E equals mc squared, which states that energy, E, equals mass, m, times the speed of light, c squared. This equation demonstrated that mass and energy are two forms of the same thing and can be converted into each other. 5 years later, in 1910, Einstein expanded his theory to include gravity, giving birth to the general theory of relativity. This theory proposed that massive objects cause a distortion in space-time, which we perceive as gravity. It was a radical departure from Newton's view of gravity and was confirmed during the solar eclipse of 1919. Einstein also made significant contributions to quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with particles at the atomic and subatomic level. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, which showed that light can behave both as a wave and a particle. Finally, Einstein's work on Brownian motion provided direct evidence of the existence of atoms, something that was still being debated at the time. His mathematical predictions matched the observed movement of particles suspended in a liquid, proving the reality of atoms. These are just a few highlights of Einstein's illustrious career. His innovative thinking, his ability to visualize complex theories, and his sheer intellectual prowess set him apart from his peers, solidifying his place as one of the greatest scientists in history. Einstein's groundbreaking work changed our understanding of the universe, but what was happening inside his brain to enable these breakthroughs? Einstein's brain was not just unique in its thoughts, but also in its physical structure. This is a fascinating revelation that emerged from studies conducted on Einstein's brain posthumously. But what were these unique attributes? The story begins in 1955 when Einstein passed away. The pathologist Thomas Harvey, who carried out the autopsy, took it upon himself to preserve the brain for scientific study. Despite the controversial nature of this act, it was the beginning of a journey to unravel the secrets of Einstein's mind. Harvey divided the brain into 240 sections and sent them to researchers worldwide. The results were astounding. Einstein's brain, it was discovered, had several unique physical features. For instance, his parietal lobe, the area responsible for spatial cognition and mathematical thought, was 15% wider than average. This anomaly could possibly account for his extraordinary mathematical abilities. In addition, Einstein's brain lacked a typical groove in the frontal lobe known as the Sylvian fissure. This might have allowed more neurons to communicate and work together, potentially enhancing his capacity for abstract thought. Interestingly, the size of Einstein's brain was not particularly large. In fact, it weighed less than the average adult male brain. This challenges the common misconception that a bigger brain equates to higher intelligence. Furthermore, his brain possessed an unusually high number of glial cells compared to neurons. Glial cells, once considered mere support cells, are now known to play a vital role in brain function and cognitive processes. Could this have been a factor in Einstein's genius? These physical differences likely contributed to Einstein's incredible cognitive abilities, but the mystery of his brain does not end here. There is still much to learn about the intricate relationship between brain structure and intellectual prowess. While we may not yet fully understand the secrets of Einstein's brain, these findings undeniably add another layer to the enigma that was Albert Einstein. Einstein's brain continues to fascinate scientists and the public alike. Even after his death in 1955, the intrigue surrounding his brain has not waned. Instead, it has grown, sparking debates and fostering ongoing research. The brain of one of the greatest thinkers of the 20th century, it has become a symbol of genius, a beacon of intellectual prowess that has transcended time and space, much like his revolutionary theories. It has inspired neuroscientists around the world to delve into the mysteries of the human brain, to understand what makes a genius, and to unlock the secrets of our own potential. Einstein's brain, preserved and studied, has offered intriguing insights. Research has suggested that the parietal lobe, the region associated with spatial cognition and mathematical thought, was 15% larger in Einstein than in an average brain. This could potentially explain his extraordinary abilities in physics and mathematics. However, it's essential to remember that correlation does not imply causation. The brain is a complex organ and its workings are influenced by a myriad of factors. The legacy of Einstein's brain extends beyond the realm of neuroscience. It has become a cultural icon, a touchstone in popular culture, and a metaphor for extraordinary intelligence. The fascination with his brain reflects our collective curiosity about genius, and our quest for intellectual achievement. Yet, the story of Einstein's brain also serves as a reminder that the brain is more than just an organ, more than a jumble of neurons and synapses. It is a vessel of our thoughts, ideas, and creativity. It is the cradle of our consciousness, the seat of our soul. In the end, the legacy of Einstein's brain is not just about the man or the organ. It is about the human potential for creativity, innovation, and intellectual achievement. It is about the power of the human mind, its resilience, its capacity for greatness. Einstein's brain reminds us of the limitless potential of the human mind. Einstein's brain, much like the man himself, continues to intrigue us. We've journeyed from his early years, through his monumental scientific achievements, and delved into the unique physical characteristics of his brain. Each step of this exploration has only deepened our fascination. We've discovered that his brain was not significantly different in size or weight from the average, but it was the intricate wiring and the exceptional development of certain areas that set it apart. This allowed for an extraordinary level of cognitive processing and abstract thinking that forever changed our understanding of the universe. Albert Einstein's life and legacy serve as a testament to the limitless potential of the human mind. His brain, with its unique architecture, has become a symbol of genius, inspiring generations to push the boundaries of knowledge and exploration. So the next time you think of genius, remember Einstein's extraordinary brain, and who knows, maybe there's a bit of Einstein in all of us waiting to be discovered.